Building with Papa. Okay, this is going to be a quick setup for an Avante airless paint sprayer. Alright, we're unboxing everything. These are the handles. The spray gun is in this box. Your hose. Some more pieces to the handle. And the unit itself. Alright, now first thing I do is assemble the handle. It's simple. Put the rods in first. Keep the holes facing each other. Don't tighten it up all the way. Just get it a little snug. Finish putting the handle together, the top piece, and then you have the inside piece that holds the hose. Put your screws in, tighten them up, and now you can start to tighten everything up on this handle so that it can stay nice and firm. It's real simple to put together. Here's your hose. Your suction hose is the larger one, and then your priming hose, which goes on to this other little fitting. Make sure you get it nice and snug all the way to the top. They don't give you a clip for it, but it works really well. All right, now that can go into your 1 gallon can or your 5 gallon can. I'm going to connect the spray hose now. When you're putting this on, remember that's a brass fitting. It's easy to mess it up. So start to put it on. When it goes smoothly, just tighten it up, just snug it. Here's your spray tip. This one happens to be a 515. There's many different sizes for different types of paints or stains that you're going to be using. All right, now the spray gun. Take the head off, and you're going to be putting this reversible tip in, and then the seal. Okay, well, the seal actually goes in first, and then you're able to put the tip in, and then put it onto the gun, snug it up, don't over tighten. It's going to be tough to move the tip in the beginning. Just move it back and forth a couple times, and you'll be able to use the reversible tip. Down is for priming, and up for spraying. The knob on the other side is for your pressures. Okay, you have your priming, low pressure, and then all the way to high pressure, depending on what material you're using. Okay, your on-off switch, here you go, that's it. And you're ready to spray. All right, give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.